Helo pawb a croeso at ein Cyngor Nativity Nadolig 2020. So welcome to our online nativity play for 2020. So I'm Mr Owen, I'm head of Ysgol Llanfochlin, and this is Mrs Roberts, who is head of the primary phase, and we just wanted to welcome you to our wonderful online nativity play. Mrs Roberts, did you want to say anything?
Yes, I would. Thank you, Mr Owen. It has been a really funny year, and I would just like to take this opportunity to thank you all as parents, the staff of the school, and most importantly, the wonderful pupils that are in our school for making this term such a good one. So it'd be nice if you could just sit back and enjoy our interpretation of the Nativity in 6 parts, which are represented by the 6 classroom bubbles. Nadolig llawen pawb.
Nadolig llawen pawb.
Let's practice our sign language. In America.
Bore da, Mr. Eels!
I just wanted to come and wish you all an Nadolig llawen and a happy Christmas at this special time of year.
Why is Christmas such a special holiday? I know this. Christmas is a Christian holiday that celebrates the birth of Jesus.
Yes, and a party that the Son of God would be born to the world to bring peace and joy to all mankind. Yes, you're exactly right. The best way to answer your question about Christmas is by telling the whole story. Would you like to hear this special story?
Oi, so squalor from there!
I hope there's some interesting characters. This story begins a long time ago in a faraway town called Nazareth.
Mary was such a lovely girl who wanted to please everyone. Until ddau moyn llaw. Oedd Mair yn blinedig iawn. Rydw i wedi blin yn lan ar ôl y siwrne hir. Fel chi'n gweld, mae fy Mair yn byd o babi. Oes gennych ystafell am y noson? Ystafell am y noson? Na, ydyn ni llawn iawn heno. Ond drwy'r iawn gen i. Wyt Joseph yn poeni? Dim ond un lle o ran ôl. Please, oes gennych oleuni aros? Does gennych ddim ystafell, ond mae gen i stabal lle mae anifeiliaid yn casgu. Oes hwnna'r tro? Diolch, be? Arweiniad gŵr y llet yn Mair Joseph tuag at y stabal. It wasn't much, but it provides some comfort and protection from COVID. Yn fi am wedyn fe anid yno i'r forwyn fair ei baban bach ar wyl y gwair. Mae'n debyg ei bod nhw'n rhannu ei llety gyda'r anifeiliaid. Ond oedd baban Iesu ddim yn poeni am fod Mair a Joseph yn gofalu amdano. Draw yn y stabal yn gwelwyd ef, ymhell o gyffro a chynnydd y dref, yn dawel a dedwydd mewn gwely gwaed ganwyd Iesu baban Mair. Yn hapus, ei bala Iesu, yn hapus iawn i ti. Yn hapus, ei bala Iesu, yn hapus iawn i ti. Draw yn y fynau cyfagos, lle mae defaid yn pori, mae bugeiliaid. Mae'n cael y bugeiliaid a oedd yn gofalu amdanynt gysgu allan yn y awyr agored, gan gymryd ei tro i aros yn effro drwy y nos. Dyna pryd oedd y perygl mwyaf, y llwynogod a'r bleiddiaid yn crwydro'r nos yn edrych am bwyd. Wyt hi'n nos yn hawdd, a dechreuodd y bugeiliaid sythio y sul.
Wel, a noson fendigedig, noson tawer abdaegu, y lled yn llachar a anifeiliaid yn hapus, ledredd mynd o le.
Wrth iddynt egmygu'r sul, yn sydyn dyma angel a'i chrwn yn ddangos yn yr awyr. Ac maent yn ymddangos fel bod yr awyr cyfan wedi i oleuo a'r golau yn dod oddi wrthynt. Neidiau'r bugeiliaid gydag ofyn wrth edrych yn syn ar y nghylion yn yr awyr.
Peidiwch bod yn ofyn, mae gen newyddion arbennig.
Pwy ydych chi? Pam ydych chi yma? Ewch o yma, go away. Mae digon i wneud gwas o'r defod. Nid oes angen mwy o helen.
Yn sicr, nid more warchod. We don't need more work.
Peidiwch bod yn ofyn. Don't be scared.
Rydym yn dod â newyddion da i chi. We bring you good news. Llawenydd mawr i'r holl bobl ar ôl gymaint o Sion dros y flwyddyn.
Heddiw, rhif Bethlehem, ganwyd y arglwydd, today the Saviour was born.
Gan nid oes satnaf gyda'ch, you don't have a satnaf, do you?
See that star, y seren. Hwn bydd eich satnaf. Dilynwch y seren ac fyddewch o hyd i'r stabal.
Yn y stabal, fyddwch o hyd i babi wedi lapio mewn blancedi ac yn gorwedd mewn presedd. The Saviour will be sleeping. Hwn, y babi yma bydd yn arglwydd.
Beth? Y eglwys rydw i wedi bod yn aros amdano.
Dewch i Bethlehem i gweld y peth yn hyfryd sydd wedi digwydd. Come on, no time to wait, let's go. Arosa! Beth am y arian? Wow. Gallai rheddodd y bugeiliaid a ddod o hyd i Mair a Joseph a oedd y baban a oedd yn cysgu ar y presedd.
Daeth y bugeiliaid i lawr o'r bryn, dilyn y seren ac agor y sul.
manylion yn siarad gyda'r bugeiliaid, roedd y baban Iesu'n casgen braf. Fe'i lapiodd Mair ei fam mewn blancedi cynnes a'i osod mewn presed llawn gwair. Yna, syllodd hi a Joseph annog gyda chariad, pryn oedd gallu gredu'r llygaid. Roedd Iesu, yr arglwydd, wedi ei eni ac roedd yn mynd i bod yn byw gyda nhw. Yn fuan wedyn, cynociodd y bugeiliaid a ddrws ystafell, ei bod wedi teithio'n bell. Nid oeddent yn dangos unrhyw arwyddion o flinder, ac roedden wedi cael syndod. Sethion nhw yw pengliniau mewn rhyfeddod. Doedd Mair ddim yn gallu credu sut roeddent wedi dod o hyd iddyn nhw. Eglurodd y bugeiliaid wrth Mair a Joseph ei fod yn gwylio'r defaid, bod yr awyr cyfan wedi ei oleio ag yngylion, a dywedodd un ohonynt i ddilyn y seren i'w harfain yma. Roedd y bugeiliaid yn hapus i fod yn ystafell gyda Iesu, gosodon nhw wrth anrheg o oen bach wrth ymlaen arglwydd. Roedd Joseph a Mair yn hapus i rhannu'r llawanydd. Dyma fyddai diwrnod byddwn ni'n gofio am byth.
Meanwhile, some way off, 3 kings and their servants were making their way through the night. They had been travelling for months, walking or riding their camels, thousands of miles. They came from different parts of the world and had met by chance whilst in quarantine. As they travelled along, they followed a bright star which had appeared in the sky. They were wise men, and so they realised that the star was a sign that the King of the world had been born.
Dwi ni wedi blino lan. I am so tired. Are we nearly there yet? I feel like I've been travelling for a long time.
Let us not give up hope. Doedd you're ddim yn beth rwan. It isn't too much further now.
The star is getting low in the sky. We must be getting nearer to the baby king. Come on, let's hurry up. Rush there. The camels are ready to continue the journey and will carry you safely as you follow the star. I think we should leave immediately to find a new king.
The wise men continued their journey and soon saw a beautiful palace in the distance. They were sure that this was the place where the king would be. They were greeted by King Herod and his servants, who spoke to them while remembering to socially distance.
Why have you come here to bother King Herod? He doesn't welcome strangers gladly. Here he comes now. He does not look pleased at all. There is no other king here, only me. But come back to tell me where this new king is to be found. It's important that I know where to find him. I would like to send him a special gift from myself.
They continued to follow the star and eventually arrived in the small town of Bethlehem. The star shone down on a small stable, and the wise men hoped that this would finally found the new baby king. They prepared to welcome the new king.
Diolch byth, at last we have found you. Dyma fy anrheg I. Here is my gift, a castic of gold.
I bring you a gift of frankincense. I give it to you, Jesus, with all my heart.
Dyma fy anrheg I. Here is my gift, myrrh. We are glad to welcome you to this stable. Come and see our new baby boy, whose name is Jesus. I thank you all for your gifts and for travelling such a distance to celebrate the birth of our baby boy. I know that he will be recognised as a king amongst kings and also all of mankind.
Hoi ffair doethion a gloddion hael, Lydiau bliniau y breseb gwael, yn dawel y dedwyn am mewn gwely gwar, a dweud Iesu baban Mair. The three wise men were pleased to have completed their journey and give their gifts to the new king. They chose not to tell King Herod where the new king was to be found.
And that, boys and girls, is why we celebrate during this special time of year.
I think we deserve a celebration this year more than any other.
Yes, we do!
So we celebrate Jesus' birthday at Christmas.
Happy birthday, Jesus! Henlwyd hapus I baban Iesu.
Draw y stabal y gwelwyd if, ymhell o gyffro ac yn wrth y dref, yn dawel a dedwydd mewn gwely gwaed ganwyd Iesu baban Mair.
Henlwyd hapus I baban Iesu. Henlwyd hapus iawn I ti. Henlwyd hapus I baban Iesu. Henlwyd hapus iawn I ti. Daeth y Bugaeaid I lawr o'r bryn, dilyn y seren a naeth am sy'n, yn dawel a degwydd mewn gwely gwaith ganwyd Iesu baban Mair. Henlwyd hapus I baban Iesu. Henlwyd hapus iawn I ti. Henlwyd hapus I baban Iesu. Henlwyd hapus iawn I ti.
Hwythau y doethion a profion hael, plygu ei gliniau wrth bres y gwaen, yn dawel a dedwydd mewn